look at, why is this one removing? I really don't understand why it's removing. I really don't know why it is like this. Guys, look at tripod. Is this a tripod? Like, look at this light. So guys, I just got back. I'm tired. So I'm going to show you how my package looks like. So when I got there, this was what they handed over. I ordered 7 items, guys. Look at it. So when I go there, like, I was like, are you sure it's just one thing that is inside? It's just 7 things that are inside this thing. So I needed to just open it. And one particular thing, one major thing why I ordered from Temu was lights. I need lights for my content creation. And I feel like, so let's check. Let's go and check. Let's check. Guys, I got the spraying bottle, and I feel I love it. Like, I love it, and it's spraying so well. I added water to it, and it's spraying so well. Like, this is the best spraying bottle I've gotten, because the rest that I've gotten, it has always been giving me issue, like serious issues. I've bought 2. This is the 3rd one now, and I thank God this one is working. I got from Temu. Thank you so much. I'll give this one 10 over 10, like 10 over 10. Thanks. So guys, I've removed all the packet. I've removed it from the nylon so that this video can be very, very fast. I don't want to waste our time here. So guys, I got lights from Temu, and when I saw the picture, it's something I was expecting to be big. Guys, look at what they got. Like, is this a tripod? Guys, look at. If you see this picture, if you see the picture of this thing, guys, look at. Why is this one removing? I really don't understand why it's removing. I really don't know why it is like this. Guys, look at tripod. Is this a tripod? Like, look at this light. I know that this light is power, like, is it will do the work, but it will not do it. I was expecting something big. Guys, when I went to get my package, the first thing I checked was, like, it was so small. The first thing I was like, because the main reason why I ordered stuff from Temu is this light. Like, this light, I need light for my content creation. I was like, I'm supposed to see tripods. There's something very long that I'm going to hold or carry, and my god, guys, what's this? I don't want to stop crying. Guys, I don't know why this is removed. Maybe that's why it's placed, because they put something like this. They put this stuff, like, if you want red lights, green lights, if you are a cinematic person, this thing will be actually very, very good. So this is actually for heat. So you place it inside. I don't know, you place it like this. So I don't know why this one is like this. This one, I don't even know, but I can't really complain because of the price as well. Oh god, I don't want the price. And guys, read description very well. What's the order from Temu? Like, read description or else. Hey, so I got this selfie light. As well. I feel like it's okay. It's fine. Just clip it here. I'm supposed to use it for my video too. So this is a selfie light, and it's okay. It's cool. So I got this background light too. One is purple. I got the purple and the blue. Well, this is how I think you're going to use it with something like this. Yeah, look at. I think it's okay. You just place it in one corner. And this is the glue. It's okay. I'll give this one 10 over 10. Yes, even the selfie lights, I'll give it 10 over 10. I'll give it 10 over 10. So it's okay. It's okay. I'm using it for background lights. It's okay. Come to the price too. It's okay because I think this thing is less than 3K sha. Yeah, I'm so sure with this one. I got it 7 something. This is not, do you know that this is not the normal price? This is the Black Friday price. If it's the normal price, maybe around like 12 or 14 or 15. So another thing, okay, the stuff came with clip. The selfie light, it came with this, so you use it to clip. I don't know how to use. Okay, I think you hold it like this. You hold it like this and do what you want to do. So that's it. It came with clip. I think that's all. This one too, I think this is the charger for charging something. Okay, this is for this. It's for charging, so you charge it. Yep. So another thing I got is this selfie stick. The selfie stick is actually okay. Like, it's okay, no complaint at all. It's actually okay. So I'll give it 10 over 10. Yes, I'll give it 10 over 10. I think that's all I got from Temu, and I can say I'm really satisfied with all the products. And even this one, I'm complaining that, guys, look at, it's still okay compared to the price. So just make sure you read your description very well, just to avoid issues just like mine. And yes, and that is just it. So thank you so much for watching. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please kindly subscribe. I want to see you in my next video. Bye for now.